Prepare the necessary parts and tools for the process. If signals are not detected during DS on, DS off operation or ES operation in the control room, check for damage of the mechanism AUX using an endoscopic camera. Using the manual T-handle, rotate it until the indicator returns to the neutral position. After checking that the plate and the 3 gear holes are aligned, secure it by penetrating the 6.2 mm diameter fixing pin through them to prevent the gear from slipping. After removing the 4 bolts, detach the mechanism and place it on the workbench. For accuracy during reassembly, after removing the mechanism, immediately mark the engagement positions of the gear section and the chain, and secure the chain with a cable tie. After removing 4 bolts, disconnect the cable jack and detach the cover. Remove the 2 hexagonal rods on top of the motor and loosen the bolts fastened to the plate to detach the upper jack support and motor plate. After loosening the indicator fixing bolt and detaching the indicator, remove the 2 hexagonal rods and loosen the fastened bolts to detach the lower jack support and plate. Inspect each of the on AUX contact, neutral AUX contact, and ES AUX contact for damage or abnormalities, and replace any AUX contacts that require replacement. Apply grease to the cam and slightly loosen the fixing pins of each AUX. Carefully align and fasten each AUX contact's fixing pins with the plate's holes. Then re-tighten the fixing pins with a flathead screwdriver. Then, reassemble all parts in the reverse order of disassembly. Once the mechanism installation is complete, please make sure to remove the fixing pin. After installation, perform DS on, DS off operations using the manual handle for a final check.